Today we are in Bridal Trail, one of the most private and distinctive neighborhoods in Bellevue. Behind me is a newly built luxury home sitting on this 0.82 lot. And this house doesn't only have privacy, it has an indoor golf simulator, a private theater, an outdoor putting green, and a luxurious wine bar. Help you to make the right real estate decision. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm going to be joined by Chris. He's the co-listing agent and my dear friend. We're going to show you around in this newly built luxury home. Let's go.
Hi Maggie, welcome in.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you as well. Yeah.
Right.
Welcome in.
Okay. Wow.
Are we ready for this?
Beautiful home.
It is beautiful. Right away, did you notice the entrance? I mean, oversized pivot door that costs roughly $20,000. Where do you see that in Bellevue?
Well, I love this door. If I ever have a home, I need this door.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll have to talk to the builder and see if we can get you one.
Great. Well, Chris, maybe you can give us a little bit introduction of the home.
Absolutely. So this home is beautiful. We have roughly 5,700 square feet, 5-bedroom, 5.5 baths, and we're on just under an acre. This is an equestrian lover's dream or someone who just wants privacy and a retreat, indeed.
So let's start with the dining area.
Formal dining room space. This can be for an intimate family dinner or you can have a lot of guests over, and then right next to it, if you have guests, this is the perfect spot to post up your bartender, or if you're a homeowner who likes to entertain, hop behind the bar. Maybe you can name a cocktail after the house that you buy.
Oh yeah.
Right? Or just have a nice bottle of wine, and we have a nice wine cellar that you're gonna see in here too.
Right. I mean, it's a luxurious material that Gary used here too.
Yes.
I mean, very impressed. What do you think? Like, what kind of people will enjoy this kind of feature?
You know, I think for me, it's someone who is probably either high tech in a higher position or someone who's a business owner.
Yeah.
Who has a younger family, could even be a family that's a little bit more older, that they like to entertain in their home and not go out to restaurants.
Yeah, I would say that people who like parties, this is a great feature. I mean, this is like receptionist, right? We just stand right there with wines.
Yeah. And imagine you're coming in here and you're shaking a cocktail, right? Are we gonna get you to do that?
Yeah, I've never been to any kind of parties like that. So really, looking forward to it.
Awesome.
All right, and what's on this side?
So over here we have our powder room. Just like any custom home on the east side, we want to see a powder room. This one is elegant. I mean, you've got a beautiful quartz countertop. You've got a beautiful brick backsplash. They spent time on their design, and that's what they focus in on, and you can tell that. We open up into this grand living space. And to me, like, the design speaks for itself, where I don't even know if I would put a TV up there because it looks so nice.
Yeah,
what are your thoughts?
Yeah, well, I probably won't either because I heard they have a private theater too, right?
Yes.
So I will definitely just hang one of your beautiful arts here, and then you have the whole accent wall there. I would really love that.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And then you have over 20-foot ceilings. It feels grand. And these windows. I mean, that's so important in the Pacific Northwest to have a lot of natural light.
And I don't know about you, but I do have some buyers who are so concerned about natural light in Bridal Trail because we have so many trees. But this house is just, the natural light is awesome. Yeah. It has so many windows, and that's why.
And I think that's an important note too. I mean, if you can tell from the design palette, it's very light and bright throughout. Which, I mean, goes with what you said. Someone doesn't want a dark home. This one doesn't feel dark at all, even in Bridal Trails. Now here, I mean, this could be considered informal dining, breakfast. Of course, you can have breakfast at either spot, but it's nice that you have this feature because oftentimes you have a formal and then a bar, island, and then here you actually have an additional space to entertain.
And you also have a spot for your designs or your arts or anything you want to shine in this house.
And look at this kitchen.
Oh my gosh. I love white countertop, by the way. It's just me.
Right?
But,
yeah.
It looks so bright.
I'm with you, and we have contrasting here with the quartz too, right? We've got a nice stone here with this quartz countertop that to me like bodes well for the design palette again. Wolf range appliances all throughout, which I think is really important for the family on the go, which someone who's moving to this home, they're always going to be on the go. Going back to what we saw in the beginning, we had a bar in the front. This is an entertainer's home because you've got an additional prep space. If you're having your chef crew over, you even have a prep oven back here. You can do a lot in this space.
Yeah. And isn't like you can actually close both the doors on both ways, so it's like completely enclosed.
Right.
Whatever, how it smells, who cares?
Exactly. All right, so let's go here. One of my favorite features and a signature of CB Custom Homes. I'm gonna actually step into their theater room.
Okay.
What's nice is they leave this an open space for someone to design if they want to do true theater seating.
Right.
And you have darker tones on the walls, which is important as well.
I think everything is already hooked up. I saw the projectors there.
Yes.
And you have built-in speakers, so everything's already
ready to go.
For you.
Yeah. Every modern home, especially in the luxury space, needs a primary on-floor suite. This one is perfectly sized, I think, with a nice oversized bathroom, walk-in closet.
And still the same 11 feet ceiling height here too.
Correct.
I mean, with a huge, well, I don't know whether it's our age, but I mean, beautiful light fixture. You still feel like the ceiling height is, you know, high enough for you.
Yeah, makes it a statement piece, right?
I love it.
Should we step into the bathroom and just
Sounds good.
check this out? I think this speaks well to the design choices with this countertop, coming in with this honeycomb tile on the floor. I mean, everything in here to me ties in really well together, even though it's all very different.
Well, I really like the color and then different textures, right? Everywhere.
Yes. We do have one more special feature downstairs that we've got to check out. We have a full-on golf simulator.
Okay.
And this thing, you know, again, golf is a thing in Bellevue. A lot of people belong to private clubs, and they're constantly looking for an opportunity to swing their golf club. I could see a Peloton bike in here, easily converted in this space, right?
Yeah. We were talking, like you can actually make it like a poker room.
Oh, poker room.
Right?
I could see that.
Right? Or a man's cave.
Yeah, yeah, you know? Yeah. Imagination can run wild in here. You just decide what you want to do. So we're upstairs and we've got 2 ensuite bedrooms here and then an additional bedroom back here. Meant for a larger family in my opinion, but again, it could just be a couple who wants to live in Bridal Trails. You and I talked a little bit about that, who's looking to be here and start their family. Back here, we've got our bonus space.
Oh, another space for entertaining on the second level.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have a wine refrigerator, sink. So if you do want to entertain up here, you can. Or if your kids are messy, they can always clean up after themselves.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check out the primary.
Oh, nice.
Feels like we were walking into a hotel to me. You've got double doors.
And this is like a transitioning area.
Correct.
From the hallway to that you're getting into your bedroom mood, you know, peaceful. Whatever, you know, the kids yelled at you and then you just feel like, you know, just let go, let it go. Yes.
Lots of natural light pouring in. Again, look at the custom craftsmanship on the wall, which adds another element that's not too dark, like the perfect tone for the space. And then these pendants dropping down, restoration hardware to complete it. So unique. Walking in here, under cabinet lightings really show the reveal of the cabinetry. And also, again, we talk about texture. Look at this flooring. There's texture even in the tile flooring in here. I hear that this is the in thing to do for females. My wife wishes she had this as well, but luxury home.
Yes, for sure. And the textures on the wall. And I love the full-size shower that has everything.
And then look at these windows too. Again, you don't want to be on display. I would probably do top down, bottom up blinds. But if you want to watch the horses, you could watch the horses literally. This space is expansive to me and it's covered. To have this kind of covered space in Bellevue is rare.
I know, and I love the skylights. the heaters.
Yes.
I mean, those are just make it so complete.
Let's step over here. I know you're not a golfer, but I mean,
I
wish it was a
learn.
putter just so I could see your stroke
Yeah.
into the putting green. You're here putting, watching the horses.
Yep.
You've got a large space for some football, maybe even. But there's a lot of options for someone who's looking for this larger estate-like
For
home.
sure. Yeah.
They can figure out what they want to do. You even said a
Yeah.
stable. That
Well,
might-
even if you have young kids, they just
Right.
run around.
Right.
They just need the space.
Yes, and it's so rare to find something just under an acre in Bellevue these days.
No, it's
Especially with a home that's built
Right.
specifically for someone who loves luxury and appreciates this neighborhood.
Completely agree with you. Well,
Yeah.
this is such a beautiful home. Thank you, Chris, for showing us around. And we are going to hold an event,
Yes,
aren't
we are going to hold an event. It's
30th of July.
30th of July, live music,
Yeah.
food, it'll be fully catered, and I think we're going to give away $1,500 cash,
Yes.
right?
Yes, you have to stay.
You have to
until
stay.
the end,
You have-
please.
yes.
It's to 6 p.m. And then we are going to have all the information about the home. We are putting in the link in the comments. And then if you want a private tour, call us.
Yeah.
And we'll show you around.
And DM info, and we'll send you all the information on the home and get
Yeah.
you a showing.
Sounds great. Well, thank you, Chris. And
Thank
we
you.
will hope to see you there in the event and hope you enjoy the house.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
All
it.
right. Okay.
Bye.